Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and avoiding delays. Check that your page or creator profile meets the audience thresholds and content rules. Once done, connect the page to Meta Business Suite and Business Manager so monetization settings appear. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and upload ID verification now. Failure to verify stalls approval. Also add a payment method and tax form where required so you won't need to stop later. These steps open the monetization options so you can proceed immediately. You now configure the core tools. Go to Creator Monetization and enable the specific features you want, such as in-stream ads, stars, or subscriptions. When enabling ads, set ad breaks and review revenue share settings, then confirm your payouts account with bank and tax details so payments clear. Make sure to tag content correctly and adjust video lengths to meet in-stream ad thresholds. Also check that content adheres to policies. Doing this reduces review rejections and speeds up final approval. You finish by submitting for monetization review and monitoring the status in Monetization Manager. Schedule regular compliant uploads to demonstrate ongoing eligibility. If you get a rejection, read the policy flags, correct the offending content, and resubmit with a brief explanation and supporting screenshots or links. Make sure to reauthorize Business Manager and clear browser cache if settings don't update. If problems persist, open a support inbox ticket and include your page ID, steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.